Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are taking a look at the Chrysalis Tarot. This is written by Toney and the paintings are by Holly Sierra. Published by US Game Systems, 78 cards, and a 60-page instruction booklet. I'm not positive for the exact retail price, but I think I paid like $22.95 for it, which is not bad. There is also another like complete set with a bigger guidebook or a more detailed guidebook. I just got the basic one because we're going to just go basic. All right. On the side, it says, a delightful trope of medieval messengers join mythological and otherworld characters to whisk you away on a spiritual adventure. With exquisite artwork, Chrysalis Tarot opens up your psyche and illuminates your path towards personal destiny. All right, well, let's open her up. This is your basic tuck box. And then when I went in here to get the plastic off of the cards, I destroyed the guidebook a little bit when I put it back in, but that's okay. So I don't think there's anything pertinent that we need to know about this other than what we read. Just want to see if there are any spreads. Oh, we do have a spread here in the back. Let's just see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so just the one spread, pentagram 5-card spread. Awesome. Okay, so I don't think there's anything else that we really need to know before diving in, so let's just dive in. Okay, we're going to take away these. Ooh, we have abouts. That's always fantastic to read. And ooh, look at that back. That is so pretty. And normally I'm not a butterfly person, but like this is really nice. I love kind of like the vaguely psychedelic type art style. That's really cool. They are a little glossy, as you can see the light reflected a little bit. There we go. It's not a terrible gloss. It's just like a semi, which is nice. I don't mind that. And again, I am not really that picky. I just mention it because I know a lot of you are interested in knowing those things. So here we go. We do have some borders, but they're not bugging me. And the title and the number down there. This is very interesting that Merlin is not the magician in this deck. I kind of like that. That's kind of fun. The art style is gorgeous. Oh, let's talk about real fast the cardstock. It's your typical US Game System cardstock. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's flexible. I don't have a problem with it. I'm sure it'll shuffle just fine. Very interesting. This reminds me of Game of Thrones. I'm excited to dive a little bit more into the guidebook and see what each one has to say. I really like the fact that they give like a personality to the cards, I should say. That's really pretty. Oh, wow. Love that. Okay, this is really pretty. I love all of the stuff that you see, the intricate, yes, detail. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Interesting. There is so much to look at in each card. Wow. Ooh. Oh, wow. Stunning art. Absolutely stunning. I feel like so far this is pretty gentle too. However, we haven't gotten to the more intimidating cards yet. But, you know, it is just so pretty. Oh, wow. So far, I'm impressed. Oh my goodness. This was a requested deck, by the way. Ooh. Wow. Oh, that is weird. I have like a weird thing about like the, you know, like the drama masks and stuff. It's not like it makes me a little uncomfortable. But at the same time, like this also reminds me of the Doctor Who episode with the porcelain, what are they called? Oh, shoot. They're clockwork, the porcelain dolls. If you watch Doctor Who, you know what I'm talking about. Where they wind up and they break down and they look similar to this, similarly dressed. Oh my goodness. Wow, we have Collie too. Wow. This deck really does like try to have it all in here. Gorgeous. Oh. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. All right, and now we get into the minors. Oh my goodness. Look at the trees. Oh, I love this so far. Oh my gosh. I'm assuming stones are pentacles. Wow. That is just gorgeous. Wow. There really is a lot to look at in each card. Oh, cute. Just beautifully done. Oh, I love. It's so lush and just there are no words. I really do like this art style. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, cute. Spirals. I think this is the wands. Mirrors, I believe, were cups. Love the dragon. Oh, how fun. Oh my. I'm really liking this deck. Oh. So it looks like Scrolls is the sword suit. It's just beautiful. Okay, so now these are the court cards. Love that dog. These are just so pretty. I'm kind of really impressed with all of this. I like that they all have a name. Just beautiful. Oh. Oh, I love that. I need more pirate decks. Absolutely. This is giving me Fabio vibes. And I'm probably dating myself for that reference, but if you know the reference, hopefully that makes sense. He was a romance novel model, and then he just got really big and famous. Oh, look at the llama. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. Then we will pull a card and read from the guidebook. See how we like it. Oh, they snap back wonderfully. Yeah, I really like these. They glide really nice when you shuffle. They don't stick together. They're a good quality of the cardstock. And we're going to read for the Mime, Page of Spirals. Alrighty. So here is a refresher of what it looks like. We'll put the Mime right there. We're going to see how this works in here. Okay, so it looks like all of the court cards are in the back of the guidebook. Okay. The Mime, or the Page of Wands, Page of Spirals. So attributes are incisive and magical, and the role is messenger. The Mime is a wonderful card to have. You may recognize her impish real-life counterpart by her particular style of dress and carefree doll personality. Recollecting fractured and repressed memories is the alchemical mission of the Mime. The other world places the Mime in your journey to soothe your psyche. Like a ram, she batters loose the memories of past experiences and returns them to mindfulness. The Mime then provides support to reconcile these memories through compassionate listening and sound advice. Aw, very cool. So we do have keywords for the other minor cards. Awesome, awesome. I'm just flipping through to make sure I give you all the information real fast. I do want to look real fast at the major arcana real fast. So let's just take a look at Death, because that one was interesting. Eridane. So traditional title, Death, Attribute, Transformation. This card takes you to the center of Eridane's, I can never pronounce words, labyrinth, where you'll meet the dreaded Minotaur. Eradne, Celtic goddess of the gates of time, offers you a spool of yarn to unwind as you proceed so you can safely trace your way out of the labyrinth. The Minotaur symbolizes your shadow side, the part of your psyche where negative thoughts lurk alongside repressed feelings such as anger, guilt, and selfishness. You successfully slay the metaphorical Minotaur and free yourself when you take full ownership of these flaws and grant unconditional forgiveness to others. The presence of Ariadne in your reading suggests that you assist a friend or loved one in finding his own way out of a dark corner. Oh, I love that. So it is somewhat beginner friendly. It might take a minute to kind of get used to the different names of the different suits and the different names in general, titles of the card. And the guidebook is good enough. I would suggest maybe getting yourself a secondary source of a guidebook, just on the off chance that this isn't enough information for you, because a lot of the times these booklets are pretty like not a lot of information for you if you're a beginner. But that being said, it is absolutely stunning. I love this art style. I don't mind the borders at all. I feel like I still get enough of the picture. I just am blown away by how beautiful it is. I like the concept. I feel like this is a very gentle deck. I feel like it's a deck for anybody really, especially if you like more of the myths and folktale and that sort of a theme. It's very, very stunning. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot stress that enough. But anyway, let me know what you think about this deck, if it's something that you already own, because I know it's been out for quite some time. Or if you don't like it, let me know your reasons why. I'm really interested in knowing what you guys have, what your thoughts and opinions are on these down in the comment section below. It's always fun to see who likes what and the reasoning for that. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section. And thank you so much for hanging out and spending your time with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.